Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Robux.io. So as you can see, we have it here on malwaretips.com. And as you can see, it says Overview of the Robux.io Robux Scam. So as you can see, it is one of the many scam websites that claim to offer free Robux for Robux players. So you may have been used to this at some point, since there are a lot of sites like these that claim to offer free Robux, which is too good to be true, like 50k or even 100k or more Robux. So as you can see, here's how the scam works. So scam sites like Robux.io advertise through social media ads, fake posts, and a lot more. Users get instructed to put their Robux username, and upon clicking Get Robux, users are taken through a verification process. This involves completing surveys, downloading sketchy apps, or sharing personal information. And then ultimately, users receive zero, which is not a surprise, 0 Robux after completing all tasks. The site obtains revenue through affiliate advertising schemes and stealing personal data. So please, if you ever come across sites like these that offer free Robux, please know that they are a scam, which is like 99.9999% of them are all scams. So please refrain from clicking or sharing your personal information for them. And as you can see, fortunately, as you can see, if you go to Robux.io, they are no longer available, and they may have been taken down since they have been flagged as a scam. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.